Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by shutting the phone down to protect your data and electronics. Once done, find the SIM tray on the left edge and insert the SIM eject tool straight in. Don't angle it. Apply steady pressure until the tray pops out, then pull it fully with your fingers. Make sure the tray and your work surface are clean so contacts stay free of debris. If you have a case, remove it first to expose the tray and avoid bending the tool. You'll now place the nano SIMs into the dual SIM tray. The tray shows small labels for SIM1 and SIM2, so follow them. Position each card with the cut corner matching the tray and gold contacts facing down. That ensures proper electrical contact. Press each card gently until it clicks or lies perfectly flush with the tray surface. Once both are seated, inspect the fit. If a card can shift, remove, slide the tray back into the slot in the exact same orientation. Push until it's fully flush, but never force it. Power the phone on and once booted, open settings and navigate to network and internet, then SIMs to verify both lines are detected and assign default calling or data settings. If a SIM isn't recognized, power off, remove tray, check contacts for dust and reseat the card. As a quick fix, you can also toggle airplane mode or restart the device to prompt detection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.